Hey everybody, DI Rhino here, and today I am working on my anti-gravity chair, replacing the elastic cord that goes along the side. This is my camping chair. Past couple of times I've used it. The cord on one side was just disintegrating, and I was tying it up and just trying to keep it going as long as possible. On Amazon I found a kit for about $8 that had 4 different cords. It has 2 short ones for the top and 2 long ones for the bottom. I have already done this side. You can take a look at and see how nicely that looks. This was the side that was torn and destroyed. So got that up the top, and then this side is what I'm getting ready to replace. So this kit, as you can see, the zip ties, it comes with 50 zip ties and the 4 cords, and then these particular instructions. I put a zip tie on every other hole just to hold it in place. It said to do that just to help keep it holding its shape while you run the new cord. These new cords are long enough to double them up. So as you see, this one has singles on the original, single loops on most of it. I was able to do doubles on this side. So hopefully that'll be a lot more sturdy, and we'll take a look at what it looks like when it's done. All right, guys, so we are all done. This looks sharp. I'm very pleased with it. Well, the stitching work here, it's relatively easy. I got through this in an hour and a half to 2 hours. If I were to give you a tip, the ends, it's got these metallic ends that help hold onto the back of this. When you're removing the old ones, I would just cut these off. It makes it a whole lot easier to pull everything out. That's all the old cord there. Feels like it's as good as new. So thanks for watching, and best of luck if you decide to do this yourself.